All right, so I took the screws out of this. Any guesses how many screws? Well, on average, I might have missed one. I don't know. Yeah, see, there's one right there I've missed. It's holding that panel together. So just on average, you know what I mean? I got the top off of this. I dropped one of these in there. I'm going to show you how many screws come out of this air conditioner. Okay, guys? Ooh, that is heavy. That's one heavy rack, guys. Dang, that's got some heft. And yes, I'm taking these apart because they're calling for rain and snow. So if I don't get at these, they're going to be covered in snow and rain. So I would rather have them apart. Sorry about the noise, guys, but I still got to cut the motor out of it. And now you dropped this in here somewhere. Anyhow, but I'm going to show you how many came out of just this one, guys, so far. This is how many on average you would take out. And these are what was holding that panel piece that I just took off, that big piece right there. That was holding that on. And then that was holding the fan on was 4 of these. Yes, I know my hands are dirty, guys, because I'm working on this stuff. So you're going to get that. But anyhow, I don't wear gloves usually when I'm taking these apart. I have the glove there just for the rads because they're going to be prickly on my hands. So there's an idea how many you're actually taking out of an air conditioner. It's pretty bad, guys. That's a lot of screws. I remember taking these apart just by hand without a drill. Can you imagine? I don't do it no more. That's probably why I got carpal tunnel in my one hand. And that would be my right hand. So anyhow, this all should come right apart now unless I've missed a few screws. Like I said, I still got to cut that out. And then this piece will come off. And then this one here, I just got to cut the panel piece out. And then this one just gets left like that one's already ready. Just see this one here, that's how I do it. And then I leave them. And then I go back around and cut all the copper out of them. So I've got 2 done already. I haven't got the copper out of them yet. I just took all the outside stuff off. So this is kind of how I work it. I just keep going around. That one's going to be a little bit different because, well, I'm not looking forward to it because it's got screws in it, not nuts. See, I got that one to do, and the other one over here. I took one leg off of this, and that was it. And they're a pain because they got a nut and bolt on it, so that's a pain in the butt. So I'm not looking forward to finishing that one yet. But they got nice rads in them, so we'll be doing them. I'll be getting them all apart. But anyhow, so far that's just my bucket of screws and plastic and whatever else that I throw in. I don't even care. So anyhow, we're going to get the rest of this apart and cut that motor off. And like I said, that's how many screws. No screws. I'll show you where they're going. Right in there, guys, because I don't hang on to them. And if I leave them, they'll get upset. I'll end up with all these screws all over the ground, and that would suck. That means I get flat tires. And that we do not want. So there we go. All cleaned up. These ones all got to be taken apart yet. So back at it, guys. I got to finish these apart. I got to get them apart today, guys, because tomorrow is supposed to rain. And, well, tomorrow I'd like to spend some time with family and stuff, too. So I can get these apart today, and then maybe Sunday I'll cut the rads. If it's raining, I don't know. Maybe I'll get I'll have to wear my raincoat, or I don't know, maybe I'll just get wet. I don't know. Because it doesn't take that long to cut the ends off, but I'm not cutting them off today. My back was already lame starting today, guys, so we're going to get them apart. We're going to do that, and then we're going to just cut the ends off them. We're going to get everything prepared today as much as I can. And then on Sunday, we'll do the other. So, but they're saying it was supposed to be the pluses. Like, I mean, crazy, guys. Like, rain is supposed to go back up to +7. Like, what is that? That's crazy, guys. And that's supposed to go back down again in more snow. I don't know what it wants to do. But I really don't want to be digging this stuff out of snow and knocking the snow off them, guys. So that's what I'm going to get them done. But anyhow. So I won't probably post this video until Monday, along with what is all this stuff going to weigh and was it going to pay. And you guys will see what I get for all these air conditioners. Because I'll be loading the steel, the rads, the copper, and the brass all in one load. And then the motors and the compressors will go another way. Unless I get paid more for the... I got to get price on the rads again, guys. I don't know. So I can give them a call on Monday before I go. But I'm going to try and load it anyhow. Well, that's enough for me yammering, guys. And like I said, I'll add some more to this. And we'll see it else I get done over the weekend. And then you guys will find out what it weighed, what it paid for Monday. And you'll find out what I get paid for these air conditioners on a rough idea. I mean, really, it doesn't take me more than a couple hours, so. Alright, so I got the truck loaded, guys. All the steel that's on there, the copper, the brass that I got from these ones, and all the steel. The only steel that's left is that little bit there, and I'm not going to stress about, what, maybe 20 pounds of scrap if I'm lucky. And then I just got the motors to get rid of and the compressors. That's it. Oh yeah, I forgot the little piece over there, but don't worry about it. Whew, I had some other steel I threw on, so yeah. Oh, I'll say, guys, all I left is these compressors And the motors, you'll see one over there and a bunch here. And we did get snow, guys. You can see I left it till Monday to load. Snowed out all day yesterday, so... But oh well, I gotta load it. It's not too bad. It's only minus 13 today. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out. I can't complain. So, it's not that cold. I thought it would have been colder for being minus 13, but not bad at all. I like it. So, I guess I'm on my way, guys. I'll get this load, and then I'll show you guys what it paid. And that's the copper, the steel, and the brass. So, out of those air conditioners. And then, like I said, all that's left is the pumps and the motors, and they go to a different yard because I get more for them. And I am not cutting them open, guys. I do not have time for that. I barely had enough time to clean them, guys. So there's too much stuff to do. Look, there's more copper laying in that one right there. I haven't even done. As I say, guys, I've got stuff laying around. It's just like there's siding over there. And I even got rid of some of the siding over there. It's just piles and piles of money laying around, guys. I just haven't had a chance to clean it all yet. I'm only one person. But anyhow, I'm going to get at it and get going and get back, and we'll see if I get these ones in or not, because we'll see. You know what I mean? We got the motors due. If not today, we'll do, like I said, I'll add it all together on the following day or whatever. But you will get to see today, obviously, which is Monday. I'm going to post this, and you'll see how much it weighed. How much it paid, guys. All right. I'll catch you later. All right, so here's the weigh ticket for the steel I had just from those air conditioners. It was 340 pounds of steel. That's all it was. Oh yes, and good news, price of steel went up, guys, which is shred for me. So let's see what we got, guys. So now it is up to 15.5. So it's $310 a ton right now for us. So 53 bucks just for all the shells, the lids, the sides off those air conditioners. I had 160 pounds. Yeah, 160 pounds at $1.65. So I got $265 or $64. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. And then we had $2.50 for brass. I know it's hard to understand, but it was one of the guys writing today. It wasn't the sister that has awesome penmanship. Hers you can understand. So I had 4 pounds of the brass. That was the brass off those air conditioners. So that's what I got. And then the number 2 is still $4 a pound. I had 19 pounds of copper pipe. And that was the noodles and everything, guys, because I cleaned out. So my grand total was $403. But I still have the electric motors, and I still have the compressors to go. So I think the highest someone guessed that all this would come to was 450 bucks. But we have compressors and motors to go yet. So let's see what we get for them. The scrapyard for that was not open today. Just the scrapyard was open. So I went in and got this taken care of. But pretty good. At least steel went up. I'm happy about that. Shred went up. That's a good thing, guys. Really good thing. So yeah, right on. So very, very nice. So very, very cool. I'm happy about that. Very, very nice. So that's my grand total, guys. $403. I rounded off to $405. They always do. But anyhow, so that's what I got. That was a pretty decent load for what I have. 6 air conditioners? Yeah, 6 air conditioners? No, 7. Well, the one was just the rad. It didn't have no compressor with it. So it was just the rad and the outer shell. But still, the rad that was in it, was pretty heavy. And it had an electric motor in it too. So we'll be dealing with that tomorrow, and we'll be cashing that in, and we'll see what we get tomorrow, guys, and see if we can top this up and see if we can pass what our guess was. I can't remember who was that guessed it, but you can go back and look on Friday and see who guessed 450. So, yeah, pretty close. But anyhow, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.